In this video, I'll show you start to finish how you can make a cool, easy masking transition to stun your friends and family. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Julian. I'm the creator of Smartphone Filmmaking Pro, and in this video I'll show you a very cool and stunning transition that you can make with your smartphone, and in this case I'm using the Zhiyun Smooth 5S. I think the end result is looking really cool, and this is definitely a transition that you can use to stun your friends. But I would say, without any further ado, let's start with the shooting process. So the first thing that you need to look for when you want to make this transition is some sort of a straight line. What we are using in this example right here will be this tree. We will use this as our masking edge, so to say. And I'm using the ultra wide angle lens, and yeah, I'm basically just starting the recording. And what we will do, Alex and myself, we will walk parallel, and then yeah, I'll just show you how this looks. So I would say 3, 2, 1 and start shooting. Maybe let's do that one more time. I will switch the camera angles from the ultra wide angle to the wide angle just to have more option. And I would say 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah, this will work definitely much better, because with the ultra wide angle lens shot from the shot before, there was just too much space and you would see the transition very obviously. So, you know, just try out different things, and now we will do the exact same thing at a different location. All right, so we have found our second location, and for the second shot, basically the only thing that you need to do is you need to keep somewhat of the same distance like you had in the first shot, and you need to be walking in the same direction again. So I'm now framing my shot, and I would say 3, 2, 1, let's start walking. Trying to keep Alex in the center of my frame. And that is basically the entire shooting process for this transition. And now I'll show you how you can edit this together easily directly on your smartphone. All right, welcome to the editing part of the masking transition. We have gotten our clips, and now I will show you how you can use that tree that we had as a blocking area, how you can use that to make a cool masking transition so that it looks like you are coming out in a different spot. For this transition, I will be using the app LumaFusion, because unfortunately VN and CapCut are not capable of adding masks. So without any further ado, let's hop into LumaFusion. So as you can see, I have already imported both of our clips. And the first thing that I will do is I will set a cut where the second clip actually starts, because we have such a long take where everything is unnecessary. And I'll just find the point where I actually start moving, and then I just set a cut and delete the rest. So that's nice. And with the first clip, we will also do the exact same thing. Delete the rest, and that's good. So I will zoom in now a little bit, and the next thing that I need to do is I need to double tap on my first clip, and then as you can see at the bottom here, we are in the frame and fit area, but in case you were at the speed or the stabilization area or wherever, just tap on the icon at the very bottom at the very left, and then you have fit mode and cropping and all of that. And we need the cropping mode. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to scroll through our clip. As you can see, we can do that here easily. And we need to find sort of the last frame where you cannot see the ending of the tree. So I will go back a little bit. And yeah, you can also hop in here frame by frame to make this really perfect. So yeah, I will set my keyframe right here. And then what I need to do is I need to scroll down, go to right, and then as you can see, we can cut it off here. So we go frame by frame. I skipped a few. The fewer frames you skip and the more precise you make this, the better the final result will be. But I do not want this tutorial to be an hour long, so I'll just do that very rough here right now. As you can see, there is Alex already. We do not want to see him here. So let's keep on doing that. A few more, and now we can actually delete it completely. And as you can see, if we scroll down here a little bit, you actually have a few settings that we can tweak, and I would like to play around a little bit with the edge softness. Maybe we will have to zoom in afterwards a little bit, but that's it for now, and let's see how that looks. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. The only thing that I can see is right here, you can see that the edge softness is just cutting off all the edges. So I do not want that. So to compensate that, what I'm doing, I will go to fit mode and then just zoom in just a little bit, like 111%. And that should make it possible to get rid of this problem. So that's it for the first clip. And now the only thing left that we need to do, I will place the first clip above the second clip. So let's just drag it above the second clip. And now let's play it back and let's see how it looks. And actually it looks absolutely perfect. We are in a different spot and it looks absolutely seamless. Yeah, I think that looks very solid, and that's how you can do these sorts of transitions. In case you would like to learn more about filming and editing some awesome videos with your smartphone, then make sure to click that first link down below. That will bring you to our totally free webinar where I share the top 5 secrets to shooting amazing videos with your smartphone. And in case you have not seen the comparison of the DJI OM6 to the Zhiyun Smooth 5S that I was using to capture all of these transitions, then make sure to watch that video over there. Bye bye.